just a quick view over our SA 110. Just a quick view. The owner allow us to film a very quick short footage. It's a very short demo to show us two basic functions of the machine. As you can see, it's got the debarker right to the front here. It goes on its own all the way down there, back on its own, and the owner installed, he made it himself fully automatic from our initial semi-automatic. He just added the computer, as you can see here, the computer and all this joysticks. So he built himself this. Cage in front of the machine here, just to keep the operator protected with all the hydraulics, all the controls, hydraulic motor. So this, in fact, it's an SMFA 110, not a semi-automatic. So initially it was a semi-automatic, as you can see it in the image, having to operate only using the right-hand side control on the right-hand side, the grey box. Well, the owner transformed this machine into a fully automatic by adding the computer, as I showed you a few seconds ago. And here you are. So by doing so, by increasing the performances of the machine from a semi-automatic to a fully automatic machine, he just increased the productivity of the machine from 22 cubics a day up to 32 cubics. And just let's just say 10-hour shift. Astea picioarele astea nu sunt ajustabile, nu sunt fixe. N-ai cum să le din sus.
Uite aici și acum am dat să mai dau gheara. Nu l-am mai gresat din mult.
Aha.
Aici un teflon. Vezi?
Okay.
Aici unde încurăță și s-o gripatul alea.
Aha,
Ai văzut că mișca...
Se mișcă cu totul.
Adică nu trebuie să-i bag vaselină, are două chestiuni de astea. Și atunci el s-o gripat cu teflonul.
So this is the main control room, as the man did it himself. Well, not himself, but he had somebody helping him with improving the project. It's a very, very sturdy machine, built to last forever, really. Very low maintenance, very efficient as well. Okay, thanks for watching us. See you next time.